Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows system brightness not changing in Windows 11. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type msdt.exe /id power diagnostic. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update display adapter. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand display adapters, right-click display adapter, click Update driver. Select Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.